Hey y'all, what's up? It's Jessica. Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Today's video is an unboxing of my first FabFitFun box. I partnered with the brand today to kind of share with you guys what their fall editor's box has inside. I've already been using the products, okay? Like, I could not wait. I love subscription service boxes because there's just so many new things and products that I get introduced to, girl, that I can add to my product junkie collection. Alright, so here's my FabFitFun box in all her fall glory. Doesn't it just scream fall? So before I dive into the products, I'll share with you guys a little bit about FabFitFun. Now, a lot of you guys kind of put me on. A bunch of you guys were sharing with me how much you love FabFitFun, and I feel like I'm kind of late to the party, girl, so it's time for me to catch up. So as I mentioned, this is their fall editor's box. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box that includes full-size products, girl, not travel size, okay? Full-size products. When I seen the full-size products in my boxes, I had to clutch my pearls. And the products range from fashion products, there's wellness, there's lifestyle, there's beauty. So many different varieties of products are in this box. So not just one type, not just one genre, girl. Very well-rounded box, okay? And like I mentioned, this is a seasonal box, so it comes out 4 times a year. One of the cool features about the box, girl, is the price. These boxes are $49.99, but the value of said box ranges over $200. So if you want to get put on, like I was just put on, then you want to use my code because I have a $10 off code if you use this code right here. Use it at the checkout and you'll get $10 off your box. And they also kind of let you customize your own box. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got in my box right now. So let's dive into the video. So as you can see, the boxes are really full, okay? This is what my box came with. I've already kind of been like digging in my box because like I said, I couldn't wait. I could not wait. I get so excited about boxes like these. So I'll share with you guys the first thing that I have been loving and using is this eye mask. I am a very big believer in wearing eye masks when you go to sleep at night. For me, it just relaxes me. It shuts off any unnecessary light. It helps me to just kind of like, you know, stay in sleep mode, get as much sleep as I possibly can. This eye mask is a collab between Free People and Understated Leather. So it's this mint colored leather eye mask with these cute little, you know, silver and gold stars on them. Very comfortable, great for traveling. I wear mine at night, but if I were to get on a plane and I really didn't want to be bothered with nobody, just slap this on and I'm good to go. It's very, very comfortable, and I can feel like it's kind of dirty because like I said, I've been using it, but like there's these gel pads that feel super comfortable and like cooling on your eye, which kind of helps like depuff your eye. Yeah, girl, been loving this one. So the next thing I got in my box are these Cobra headphones. Now I don't know about you, but I love me a good pair of wireless Bluetooth operating headphones. Now actually this is my second pair because I have one already, which is like a black pair, but this one is like white with rose gold trim, and I'm like, oh, I like her more. So I'll probably use one for home and then one for when I travel and stuff, but this is pretty cool. Next in my box I have these facial sheet masks. What was the sound effect for, Jessica? These are bubble sheet masks by Glam Glow, and I've been using these already, okay? I've already used 2, and I really do like these masks. Let me tell you why. So this is not the type of mask that you do after you wash your face. This is actually a mask filled with like face wash. So you actually wash your face with this. Hard to explain, but you basically put this on, it starts to like bubble and fizz, and then you begin to wash your face. So wipe off your makeup, put this on, it fizzes, and then you wash your face with that. I love this because this makes like taking off my makeup and chilling so much more easier. I'm definitely gonna use these up, obviously, and then I have to buy more because I really do enjoy these masks. So it's like a black mask, very cooling on your face, and I love the moisturizer, or not the moisturizer, the face wash that it's infused with, because it's super cleansing, but it doesn't like strip your face. It's very like moisturizing. So I'm a sheet mask type of girl, but I've never used a sheet mask, like a cleansing sheet mask. I've never used one of those. So if you haven't tried this, girl, and you love like sheet masks, you get your life to those, you're really going to enjoy this one. Next in my box is this Ahava Mineral Hand Cream. Here she is up close. There you go. So this is a special size. Like, look at this. This is not a travel size product. This is a full size product. It's infused with Dead Sea water, and I've used this before. Now, I'm one of those girls who suffers from ashiness, especially on my hands. Like, I feel like my hands, like everywhere else I'm pretty decent, but my hands get so dry and they're always ashy. Like, no matter what, they're always ashy. And I think that's because I wash my hands a lot, but they're always ashy and I'm tired of being ashy. So something like this is so helpful for me, and I've used it before, and I love like it has a very like fresh, clean, like I guess minerally smell. Like, it smells like, to me it smells like the beach in a very good cleansing way. And it's very like thick, which I love because I cannot stand water-based water-filling moisturizers, because they literally, my hand just eats it up, spits it out, and I'm left being ashy. This one makes my hands feel so moisturized and soft, and like I said, I love the scent of this. It literally just moisturizes my hands so well. I love the way my hands feel after I use this. Like, no ash, okay? You can't afford to be ashy. It's so not cute. It's really not cute. So next in my box is this Fresh Pear Body Wash Infused Buffer by Spongel. I think it's Spongel or Spongely. Spongel or Spongely. Here she is right here, and then I'm gonna take her out of the box because she smells pretty good. This smells so good. So basically this is a cleansing bar. It also exfoliates, hydrates, and it also massages. So this will be good in the shower. And because it is infused with body wash, when you lather it, or when you wet it, it will lather, and then you could get all of that fragrance and smell good all over your body. You're exfoliating your skin, which, ladies, exfoliating that body is so important. Actually, I'm gonna do a video on exfoliation and how it helps our parts. Helps our parts. Speaking of shower time and baths, I got this Detox Bath by Yoga. I've never taken a detox bath, but sounds appealing. So like, it sounds like beads or something. That's what it sounds like. Here it is up close. So basically you use this product after a long day, maybe of working out, of work, dealing with the kids, dealing with your husband, just dealing with life, girl. And you need to just like unwind, kind of refresh, reflect, relax, and just kind of like relieve yourself from the day. This is good for that. It detoxes your body. There's ingredients like goji berry extract, Mediterranean sea salt, all that good stuff in here. I'm definitely going to be trying this. I have not used this yet. It says that you can detox and soak for 10 to 20 minutes in your bathtub with this, so I definitely want to try it out, so that I can see how it makes me feel, because I think taking long, deep detoxing baths are so imperative to like your mental health and just for like self-care. And lastly in my box, I got a bag, a tote bag. Now, I am the tote bag queen. I have a whole bin right under my my little vanity of tote bags. And I never throw them away because I find myself always needing a bag, an empty bag, just to like quickly leave out the house. So I just throw something in there. Those moments where it calls for more than a purse and you need a tote bag. Well, I'm that girl, and I'm always in need of a tote bag. So I can definitely add this to my collection. This, cute little nautical theme going on. This one is by Summer and Rose. And the one thing that I do like about this tote bag is a lot of tote bags just come open, but this one comes with a zipper. So I love that, which is perfect for like, traveling, if you're just going to the beach, whatever the case may be, where you need a tote bag and you need it to be, secure your products. This one has a zipper, so I do love that. And like I said, I am the tote bag queen. I always appreciate a little tote bag. If you want to gift me something, you can gift me a tote bag, girl, and I'm good to go. Alright, y'all, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this FabFitFun unboxing of their fall editors box, and I found some really good products in here. I hope you guys did too. This box is $49.99, but like I said, I got you, girl, on the $10 off code right there. So just use that code at the checkout, get your $10 off, get your full-size products, and thank me later, okay? If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comment section if you've ever tried FabFitFun before, what you love about it, what you like about it. Share this video with a friend. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any more videos. That is all, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!